Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're at the Doubletree by Hilton Minneapolis Park Place, and we're going to take you on a quick tour of our room. So this is room 1506 on the executive level, and we'll check out the safety features. We have door latch, mechanical deadbolt, peephole, and this is a map, and we are right here. The executive lounge is right there. Try and get a shot of that in the morning for breakfast. And the elevators are over here, the stairs are here, so it's going to be pretty quiet in here tonight. Immediately as you walk in the room behind the door is a closet, and inside this closet is a digital safe, and they gave us a couple of robes, iron and an ironing board, and box fan. We move into the room. We got a full-length mirror and 2-cup coffee maker with creamers, sugar equal, yellow equal. This is sugar twin, chamomile tea, some napkins, coffee cup lids, and Gloria Jean. Coffee bean, Brazil, and decaf. Recycling garbage can there. We have a king-size bed. This is not a suite. This is just a regular room, regular king room on the executive floor. So on either side of the bed, we have a little bureau here. The lamp has a dimmable light, and we have one outlet on each lamp on each side of the bed. So, telephone, alarm clock, radio. We got all kind of stuff in here. We got a Bible, Minneapolis St. Paul, and Twin Cities guest book. And this is also a dimmable lamp. Over here, got all our junk over here, but we have a chair with a footrest and a little table. Another lamp over here in the corner. And a small window. Here we have a desk, and the lamp on the desk has 2 electric outlets on it. And we have an ice bucket with a couple of glasses. They do have a restaurant down on the ground floor, and you can order room service. And I guess this is the guest directory. And this, I'm not 100% sure what this is here. We got 3 outlets here. I'm not real sure what this little opening there is. I don't know whether that's for standing up I'm gonna have to look into that. I have no idea what that does. So outside the window, and the sun's setting right now, but we have a little lake and a Costco. So I guess we're looking pretty close to west here. And this is the air conditioner. It's not in the window, which is unusual. And it's controlled by a thermostat on the wall right here. And you can't run heating and cooling at the same time. I guess they have some kind of radiator or something like that. And one other thing I wanted to mention was the maximum room rates are the highest we've seen, I think, just about anywhere. Single and double occupancy is $1,000 a night maximum. And triple is $1,100 and quadruple is $1,200. Now, of course, we didn't pay anywhere near that amount. So let's check out the bathroom. This is a very large television set, probably 52 inches, and comes with a remote control, and inside of here is a refrigerator, which is empty, but it's cold. And this is just drawers, also empty. So we have everything but a microwave. Now we're going to move on into the bathroom. That's not a large bathroom, but it's got nice light fixture over the mirror. Very large mirror. Our standard Crabtree and Evelyn soap that we see in Doubletrees, and all the different shampoo, mouthwash, conditioner, body wash, box of Kleenex, hand towels, bath towel, and we have a makeup mirror, garbage can, more bath towels, and some toilet paper and a hair dryer. Some bath soap there. We got some artwork on the wall, and we have a stand-up shower, no bathtub. So this pushes open. So I guess it won't flood the bathroom when you open the door. I guess this is just a towel rack here. And this is the shower head. Try to turn this on without getting wet. And I got wet. That looks like a pretty nice floating shower head. Got a couple of different settings. And there's not much in here in the line of places to put things. I guess you gotta put everything on the floor because there's just this little soap dish here at the corner. And that's just a grab rail so you don't fall. Toilet by Kohler. Flushes nicely. So that pretty much concludes our room tour. Thanks for watching. Be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip. So we got to the Minneapolis airport and picked up a rental car, and this is what they gave us. We were a little disappointed that it's not an RT. This is actually a V6 Dodge Challenger 2018 model. But it's got all kind of neat features. This is my first experience with one of these. It's an automatic transmission with an auto stick feature. Dual zone climate control, push button start, touchscreen radio, retro looking gauges, all kinds of different things you can pull up on this little screen here. You can do a 0 to 60 timer. I don't know how well that's coming out on camera. But for a V6, it's surprisingly fast. I was really surprised that it had a V6 in it when I opened the hood. Because the thing really moves when you step on the gas. So it's a nice big interior, a lot more room than we have in the Civic. So this is what we're going to be driving for the next 5 days, and this was all paid for with Hilton Honors points. So we dumped 274,000 points on this car, but we didn't have to pay for a rental car. So we'll move on.
Nice. It doesn't have a tub, but it doesn't have a shower that will leak onto the floor either because there's a ledge.
Okay.
You need to go to the restaurant. No, I don't understand. 10 minutes away.
Try that again. People walking by.